Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Okay, so today I have a FABFITFUN unboxing for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, I did open the box already. I did see what's inside already, but to my defense, I was filming on my phone yesterday. But then I went rock climbing, and now I'm so sore because I didn't think I could lift my heavy self, and I did. Yay. So I'm really sorry. But anyway, let's start. The first thing that came in the box before even like unwrapping it was this $50 off HelloFresh. Now it's pretty much $25 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. Claim within 30 days. I just spent like $100 on groceries, so I really don't need this right now. I might gift it, or I might just, I don't know. Second, it's this Ish lip statement palette. Now, I am not going to lie. A few boxes ago, I got the contour palette, and it didn't work for me. So I'm not even gonna open this. I'm just gonna gift it to somebody that it might work for. But hey, this Ish lip statement palette goes for $42. Now the other thing, which I was so excited about, and I low-key wanted the gray one, but it's okay. It's this Physique 57 massage roller. I did get the corally reddish one, which is fine, but I'm actually going to be carrying this with me in my truck. I have my foam roller here at home, but this is so good because a lot of the times, again, I'm too heavy, so to foam roll for like 20 minutes holding myself in a plankish form hurts me. So this is just perfect. Perfect. Oh, I need this. Oh, this just feels so good. It retails for $20. So yeah. The other thing that I have right here is this Rachel Paley Reversible Clutch in Bloom, Sahara, or Paradise. So I think mine's Bloom. It's actually really pretty, not gonna lie. I can use like this. I like it. So this one retails for $60, so I thought that's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, so the next thing is these pair of earrings, which I actually no, will not do those yet. So the candle, Anderson Lily. It smells delicious. This candle retails for $45, which I would never buy a $45 candle. But this, first off, beautiful. I can't wait till all of this is burned out and I can put a succulent in here. Maybe. It smells really good. So I'm actually already going to use this. The next thing I see here is this Free People by an Understated Lover. It's an eye mask. It's a vegan leather, so good. It has holes because I left my box open and my cats were like, it's a toy.
Oh, the cat, this hurts. I can't see. It hurts. It hurts. Let me fix this. Oh, that's still tight. Why do I have such a big head?
Cool. It's actually very heavy-ish. And then you can see right here the gel thing that you can cool. So this, if you buy it by itself, it's $40. Yeah. And I'm so glad I got the pink one. I love pink. Let's see what actually came in the box. What am I missing? Oh, the Murad. Where is it? Here it is. This is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Awesome. I need some. Now, I am not gonna lie. I have tried the, wait, let me fluff my not natural hair right now. I've tried the cleanser and it's great. It did dry my skin a little bit. That's okay because it was great. It cleaned everything out. So this retails for $40 as well. Then there's 2 more products in here. The first, this one, it's the first peptide infused anti-aging nail treatment. I like these. They one time sent a cuticle oil, lavender cuticle oil, that was amazing. And there's a 20% off Ulta in-store something purchase. exfoliating body polish. I think it's like one of those sticks that they just sent you for you to try, you know. I like this. I like it that they have like the front packaging, like the plastic, but it's just, anyway, I'm gonna give this a try for sure. And then the two things that I was actually able to select from, so they had this body butter, they had natural collagen infused lip masks, they had some earrings, and they had a bracelet. And this was a choice item, so you were able to pick two, one jewelry and one body care, whatever. So I picked out these earrings. They had pink or black. I feel black goes with everything. Yes, I love pink, but I don't wear pink too much anymore. This is pretty. And for the skincare, I did get the lip collagen lip thing. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I love it that it comes in its own little packaging. So yes, I am going to try it today. That is it for this box, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I honestly really like this box. There's boxes that I swear I feel like I would only use one thing from them, or the samples that they come to, like, you know, promote, whatever. But this is a really good box. Like, everything is great. Earrings, there's a little to moisturize, more moisturizing, a mask, a clutch. This right here is my favorite thing for sure, and the candle. So yeah, all of these. Oh, and the palette that I don't like, $50. So all of this, honestly, like most of it I will use. I think all of this for $50 per season, and if you actually upgrade to whatever the hell it is, I think you end up saving like $20 per year, plus you get to pick what's in it all the time, not only once or twice a year. So I think that's awesome, and I think y'all should try it. I will leave a link down below so you guys can go directly to their page. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and if you really loved it, share with your friends. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!